Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the introduction of matrices, the definition of a matrix, representation of a matrix, representation of the elements of a matrix, the order of a matrix and the construction of a matrix. Generally, matrices were used in mathematics to find the solution of linear problems. But now it is also used in physics, chemistry, statistics, economics, psychology and education. So we have a wide field to apply the matrices. Let's learn about the matrix now. What a matrix is? Matrix. It is an array or arrangement of some numbers or objects in horizontal lines and vertical lines. An array of numbers in horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines and vertical lines, as I said, horizontal lines are like this. The vertical lines are like this. These vertical lines are known as columns. And the horizontal lines are known as rows. So we can also define it as an array of numbers in rows and columns. So when we represent a matrix, we write the name of the matrix by a capital letter and the elements of it are written with the small letters generally, or they are the numbers. So we use the bracket or the parenthesis. We can write the elements in this, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. So we find here these are 2 rows and 3 columns. This can also be written as, we are using the parenthesis. We can write the same as A, B, C, D, E, F. We can also use double lines on both the sides to represent a matrix. After learning about the concept and the representation of a matrix, let's learn the proper definition of it. We know when some numbers are being arranged in horizontal lines, that is rows, and vertical lines, that is column, it forms a rectangle. So the final definition, the proper definition of a matrix can also be given as a rectangular array of numbers in rows and columns is a matrix. And as I told you, we can represent a matrix in the bracket or the parenthesis. So we write it, suppose it is A, B, C, D, E, F. We are finding here these are 2 rows and 3 columns here. The numbers or the objects which are contained in the matrix are known as its elements or members. The objects or numbers contained in the matrix are its elements or members. Now, how to represent the elements of a matrix? A representation of elements or members. Generally, the elements are represented by Aij, where I represents the number of row of that particular element and J represents the number of column. Like suppose we want to represent an element A12. A12 means this is the element in the first row and second column. Element in first row and second column. Which is the element here? First row is this. Second column is this. So it is B. It is B. If we want to find out A21, A21 means this is the element which is the second row and first column. Second row is this. First column is this. It means the element is D. Like this we can represent the elements of this. And hence, in the form of the elements also we can represent a matrix. So according to the representation of the element Aij, a matrix can be represented as A11, first row, first column, A12, first row, second column, A13, first row, third column, and so on. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and so on we can write. This is the way we can represent the elements of a matrix, and a matrix can be represented in the form of the elements. Now, order of matrix. Order of matrix is represented as the product of number of rows and number of columns. So we can write order of a matrix is equal to number of rows into number of columns. Suppose the number of rows is m and number of column is n, m into n is its order. And the order is represented as order of any of the matrix, suppose A, order of matrix A, that is equal to m into n. Let's understand by some example. Suppose we have a matrix B and the elements in this are 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 8, 7. We are finding here the number of rows is 3. Number of columns is also 3. So we can say that order of B is equal to 3 into 3. Generally, we write the order of the matrix at the corner of it, that is, we can write here 3 into 3. If we have another matrix X and this contains the elements P, Q, R, S, T, U, we are finding here the number of rows is 2, number of columns is 3, so the order of this is 2 into 3. We can write order of X is equal to 2 into 3. So like this we can find out the order of any of the matrix, and also we can find out the number of elements in that by multiplying these two. If we multiply a 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 is the number of elements in this. If we multiply a 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 is the number of elements in matrix B. Let's learn about the construction of matrix now. We can construct a matrix if its order is given to us and we are knowing the relation between I and J for its elements Aij. For example, we have a problem here. Construct a matrix of order 2 into 3 in which the elements are given by Aij equal to I plus 2j upon 2. For the solution of such problem, first of all we will consider the matrix of order 2 into 3. Order 2 into 3 means the number of rows in that is 2 and number of columns is 3. So we write here, let the matrix be A equal to A11, A12, A13. 3 columns, 2 rows, A21, A22, A23. The order of this is 2 into 3, we can see. Now according to this relation which is given to us Aij, I plus 2j upon 2, we are to find out all these elements. So we find here A11. In that I is 1, j is 1. So this will be 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 2, that is 3 by 2. A12, I is 1, j is 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2 upon 2, that is 5 by 2. A13, I is 1, j is 3. So this is 1 plus 2 into 3 upon 2, that is 7 by 2. For the second row, A21, here I is 2, j is 1. So this is 2 plus 2 into 1 upon 2, that is 4 upon 2, we can say 2. A22, both I and j are 2. So this will be 2 plus 2 into 2 upon 2, that is 6 upon 2, or you can say 3. A23, I is 2, j is 3, that will be 2 plus 2 into 3 upon 2, that is 8 by 2, or you can say 4. After finding all these elements, we can write the matrix. Therefore, the matrix A is the elements 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Second row 2, 3 and 4. This is the answer. This is the way, if the relation between I and j for the elements is given to us, we can find out the matrix, we can construct the matrix. In the next video, we will learn about the types of matrices. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.